how do you find the iCloud information on your iPad? Let's get started. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you are subscribed to Foxtecc as you don't want to miss videos like this one. So generally speaking, your iPad has or needs to be logged in to your iCloud through the Apple account. So you can find it inside of the settings, and then when you click on your profile at the top of the list. So this is where your name is, as well as the profile picture. And once you go there, you can browse all of the related settings to your Apple account, one of which is literally the iCloud. And in there, you can manage all of the information and browse what is available to you. So you'll be able to see, for example, the amount of storage you currently have available, right? So that's like the first thing. Obviously, if you don't have enough, you can upgrade and pay the premium subscription to get more storage. Depends on what you need. But then below, you also can check out what is exactly taking up your storage. So it might be backups or some files from different apps like notes, photos, or whatever else. But in the main iCloud section, you can actually manage those individual iCloud features, like you can enable or disable automatic backup, or just manage synchronization for different services individually. So for example, you can decide if your notes or mails or anything like that will be automatically uploaded to the cloud, right? And also shared with your other devices using the same iCloud. But this has to be managed by you and specifically to suit your preferences. But that's going to be about it from me. Let me know what you think about it below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.